Hi, today I wanted to talk to you about and show you this beautiful Artisan collection Bible that I recently got. I also wanted to chat about some great Bible study supply ideas too. So thanks for clicking on the video, and please stick around to the end and I will show you my final setup if you'd like to see it. So this is a hardcover NIV version Bible. It's got the cloth covered board with a stunning floral design and verse. And the inside print, as you'll see shortly, is really nice and easy to read too, as well. And I purchased this Bible because I wanted a good journaling and study Bible. And I think this Bible is so beautiful. I love the color and I love the design. And the verse on the front is one of my favorites from Psalm 46:5 that says, God is within her, she will not fall. And it's really pretty on the inside as well. It's got a place for your name. And it's the NIV version, Journal the Word. And that's the main reason I got it, because as you'll see as I go through it, the margins on the sides of the pages are wide. So there's plenty of space for um, taking notes, journaling if you'd like. I like using notebooks as well, but I'm trying to get more organized too. So I thought, I'm going to try to do more note taking and journaling inside the actual Bible. So it's pretty basic. You've got the table of contents. And then, as I was saying, it's got the wide margins here for notes. It's also got footnotes at the bottom for more explanation and clarification, maybe other references. An example, let's see. Here it says the Greek word means either life or soul. D25. So if you go up here to 25D, for whoever wants to save their life, D, come back down. It could also mean soul. So I'm excited to dig into it. And I wanted to show you some of the other things I got to go in the Bible. I got these tabs off Amazon, and they actually come in different designs. I wanted just a more basic muted type color scheme, but they have different ones that you can get. And I find this going to be easier to thumb through the Bible having these tabs on there. And then you can get a lot of just good supplies at the Dollar Tree. I got these highlighters and pens, and then I did get a couple of notebooks in case I want to take more notes. And I also got these highlighters off Amazon. I'll kind of show you how they look. These are a little more muted. I like them, but I like the darker colors. I think they show up a little bit better. I'll show you an example. Like this is probably the lightest one, this pink, but this kind of seafoam green works good. And these are nice because they do have two sides. This tip is a little wider if you want to go over the whole text, or if you just want to underline, it's got a finer tip as well. Sorry, am I getting that? And then, as you can see, this is nice. It's not too dark, but dark enough. But this lighter pink, you can barely see, so you probably have to go over it a few times. That's the only thing, only downside. But I do like the more muted colors. But These are nice too. And it also has two sides to it, a wider tip. I didn't realize this right away, but that cap comes off as well, and then you've got a finer tip for underlining if you'd like to do that. So just thought I'd show you those. I'll zoom in so you can see a little bit better. Next, I'm going to put the tabs in my Bible, and even though it can be kind of relaxing to do or watch, I am going to speed it up so you don't get too bored. Okay, so I finished putting all the tabs in my Bible, all the different books of the Bible, so hopefully it'll be much faster finding the book that I'm looking for. And like I said, they come in different colors too. I think there was a floral, there's different patterns if you like. I will put the link to this Artisan Bible in the description if you would like to take a look and read more about it. I purchased mine on Amazon and I believe it was around $32, but it's really beautiful and a good quality Bible. I will also list the Bible book tabs in the description as well for you. And I'm going to share with you just a couple more things. When I'm reading or studying the Bible, I have my iPad with me. There are some online Bible resources I like to use, like Bible Gateway and Blue Letter Bible. I use those sites if I want to read a different Bible version of a verse or get the Hebrew and Greek meanings of certain words. And I recently purchased a Fire Bible. I may make a video reviewing it too. Please let me know in the comments if that would be something that you would be interested in watching. I love that Bible. It is the English Standard Version, and it really offers you a lot. It's got extensive notes, commentary, and background articles, along with a lot of other features. So I'm really enjoying it. I also keep my Strong's Exhaustive Concordance handy. If I want to dig in and get a little deeper meaning of scripture, I love this for looking up Greek and Hebrew meanings of different words. It's a big book, it's heavy, and like I mentioned earlier, I use the Blue Letter Bible online a lot, but sometimes, I don't know about you, but sometimes I feel like it's nice just to have a physical book that you can hold and thumb through the pages. You have the main concordance with all the words of the Bible in the beginning, and then the dictionary of Hebrew and Aramaic words, and the dictionary of Greek words. So it's a great resource. So here's my final setup. Here's my desk. I keep my laptop on the lower shelf, and as you can see, I crochet. I've got my yarn here, but I don't know if I'll leave it on my desk, but I like having it handy. I appreciate you watching today. If you liked this video, I'd love it if you gave it a thumbs up. And if you would like more Christian content, if you could subscribe, that would be wonderful. And also, if you have any tips or for journaling or Bible study or setup or a favorite Bible or Bible resource, we would love to hear it. If you want to share those in the comments, that would be great. I hope you have a blessed day.